When you remove the panorama sliding roof of the new V-Class, the roof must be fully closed. Then turn on the ignition to open the sunshade. Remember for the next steps to turn the ignition off again. Then go into the back and start with the screws on the roof. Remove these. In order to better identify the screws, you see them here again with the sunroof removed. Remove the 3 screws on the other side too. The roof is now free. For the next step, get a colleague to help you. Together, you can remove the panorama sunroof.